not own raw hair on the market. Actually, raw. Most of this is just steamed and toasted. Real raw hair is taken from one healthy dealer. No dry, no chemical. It doesn't look super shy at first, but that's what makes it real. Raw hair needs care to shine. It's more expensive, yes, but it's lasts 2 to 3 years, and your customer will continue back. If you are serious about the hair business, raw hair is the best choice. This looks so soft and silky. Follow to learn more about raw hair and how to grow your hair business the right way.